Welcome back to the Quick Dart Programming course. Today we are going to understand how to install Android Studio in Windows operating system. So this is the official website developer.android.com/studio. This is the website which we have to go in order to download the Android Studio. In this website we are having a see here, download Android Studio. The latest version of the Android Studio is available here. See, whenever you are trying to download, maybe the version changes. You want to use the latest version. So click on the download button. In this, you will get the license terms. Go down. So I have read the agreement and with the above terms and conditions. This download will automatically select the operating system. The website will automatically check your operating systems. So it is Windows, that's why it will select the Windows operating system flexible download. So download it. It will take some time to download this operating system. So download has been completed. Now we move on to downloads. See, this is the version .exe file. Click on it. You have to select the permissions. Android Studio.edu, you want to allow? Yes. See, just go to next. Next. See, it will automatically select some path to install. If you want to change it, you can change the path here. I am keeping the same path. Android Studio, do not create shortcuts. Okay, install. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. Installation has been completed. Finish. So this is how it will open. Next, we can go with standard. Next, to review or change any of your installation settings, click previous. Now next. Finish. it will take few minutes to update the components and all those things. So once this Android installation has been done, Windows is asking for, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Say yes. It's completed. Finish. So this is how our Android Studio, when you open the Android Studio, this is how it will look. See, this is how. If you want to create a new project, you can go create a new project here. But we want to install Flutter because we are going to do Android apps on Flutter. That's why. So next, in our next video, we are going to install Flutter using Android Studio. How to do that, we are going to discuss in our next video.